De Morgan laws of complement. So let us see first what is complement of a set. Okay. So let us see complement of set क्या होता है पहले. Complement of set A. Suppose we say it is denoted by A, posse or A dash. Okay. So it's nothing but A dash is A complement equal to mu minus A. तो उसका मतलब है so what is this? This always represents rectangle always represents universal set mu और इसमें हमारा सेट A है. तो म्यू में से सेट A को निकाल दो. म्यू में से सेट A को निकाल दो. Then you left with only this region, isn't it? Only this region. ये बीच का हिस्सा चला जाता, सेट ये चले जाएगा और आपको सिर्फ ये जो लाइन्स है वो बचेगा, है ना. तो ये चले जाएगा, राउंड एरिया चले जाएगा, सेट ये चले जाएगा. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. A complement means mu minus A. So here mu minus A. This is nothing but A complement. A complement equals to only shaded region. जो बाकी का है ना ये निकालेगा बाद वो है. So what it contains? Contains the set of elements. It is A complement contains the set of elements that are in the universal set mu and not in set A. Okay. So in set builder form notation, A complement or A dash is represented by set of all element x such that x belongs to mu and x does not belongs to A. Okay. Clear? So we write the definition. So the complement of set A is denoted by A dash or A posse and contain the elements that are in mu, that is in mu, which is the universal set, and not in A. Okay, this is the definition. Now you write down. Now let us see one question. Is let E is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to take this as mu, there is universal set mu. Okay, that mu is equals to this one, and E is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find E complement, and E complement whole complement. It is complement of E complement. What do you notice? This is the question. So, solution we write. Sure, you have given universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and E is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10. I have to find out E complement. E complement is nothing but mu minus A. So E complement is nothing but mu minus E. जो सेट लेते हैं वो इसी को निकालना है. Okay, it's the difference of mu and the given set E. So, and this is equal to, we write mu, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, minus set E, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 we have here. Okay, so in this, how to get now? 1 is there, not there, so we write 1. 2 is common, should not write 2. 3 is not there, write 3. 4 is there, common, should not write 5, not present, then write 6 is there. 7 we write 8 is there. 9 is not there. 10 is there. So completed. So this is E complement. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
we require complement of whole complement. है ना? Complement
Yes,
of.
sir.
So what you want? Mu minus E complement. So ये पूरा.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8 only kada.
Yes. Okay, now, so in the last class we find here it is 8, okay? 8 is here and 8 is here. So you should not write only, we have here 9. And then 10 is there. You should not write 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now complement of E complement is mu minus this one, E complement. So again you take mu, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, minus, what is this? E complement. What we got? E complement 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have it. Okay. So what you get now? We'll see E complement of complement equals to 1 is there. Should not write 1. 2 not there. Right. 3 is there. 4 not there. 5 there. 6 not there. 7 is there. 8 not there. We write now. 9 is there. 10 is not there. We write. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 we got. Observe the set E. Where is your E? E ने कैसा है? 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6.
So it is equal to E. So what happens? It's nothing but equal to E. So therefore, what we have? E complement, whole complement. What we notice is A complement is A. Okay. For generally speak, complement of any set. The complement is nothing but A only. Okay.
A. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I don't know. Okay. De Morgan's laws of complement state that complement of the complement of union of sets is the intersection of, so the complement of union of sets is the intersection of complements of the sets. It is individual. So what how we write is a union B. It is a union B whole complement. A union B whole complement, that is called complement of union of two sets, equals to intersection. Intersection is called complements of the set. It is A complement intersection B complement. This is first. The second is the complement of intersection of the sets is the union of complements of sets. That means consider A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Yes. Otherwise,
Completed, sir.
okay. Now we'll see the Venn diagram for A union B whole complement. Exactly. So let us denote A union B by horizontally shaded lines. This is union of two sets. See, up to A only you have to get this line. Okay. This is so A union B is shaded horizontal. So A union B whole complement means mu minus A union B. That is A union B को mu से निकाल दीजिए. So entire white region, whatever we have, this region. Okay. Here. So
Yes, sir.
understand, that is A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So note down this first.
Okay, sir.
Is what we have unshaded region. So this is a universal set. This whole thing is set A. This whole thing is set B. So let us write here and let us write here. Okay. Now, A intersection B whole complement is equals to means mu minus A intersection B. चले गया. Then what you left? This whole thing. I will draw the vertical line. Or I draw the vertical line. This whole thing. This whole thing. This whole thing. When you come here, this A intersection B part will be removed from this view. A nahi rahega, खाली A ही रहेगा. Okay? And this. Did you understand now? Here, here. Be careful. Observe carefully. So again, this whole pot is there. This whole pot will be there. So, what is the region that is shaded with vertical lines? This is A intersection we all complement. Not horizontal line. Horizontal line is the intersection. The intersection B has been removed. Okay, that's the thing.